So the question is, what mass of acetic acid is in a 20% solution if the solution weighs 20 grams? That was the original homework question, and we're going to solve for that problem. So we have 20 grams of a solution that contains acetic acid. You would write that as 20.0 grams of acetic acid solution. And we've used acetic acid quite a lot in here. You should know how to write the formula for acetic acid. You take an acetate ion, you put a hydrogen on the front, you got acetic acid. Hello? Yes. All right, so that's your starting amount, and that's going to go over 1. Now we have a 20% acetic acid solution. We need to figure out how that's going to help us find the mass. Okay, actually this is grams of acetic acid solution. Okay, it's not just acetic acid, but the whole solution. It's a combination of acetic acid and water. That's what makes up the solution. Solute is acetic acid. Solvent is water. Solute plus solvent makes up the solution. Okay, you need to know that, and that's really critical to understanding how to do these things. Okay, so if we take this 20% and say, okay, what's an easy ratio of mass in grams? That means 20%. Well, the easy ratio in mass, using grams as our measurement unit, that would represent 20% acetic acid, the easiest one for me anyway is 20.0 grams of HCH3CO2, acetic acid, over 100 grams of acetic acid solution. Now you could do 1 gram on the bottom and 0.20 or 0.200 grams. That would be even easier. But this, you know what a percent means, right? It means a number divided by 100. Okay? So that's really the easiest way to think about it, I think. All right? So all we have to do now is cancel and do the math. Grams can be canceled out. Acetic acid solution can be canceled out. We have grams of acetic acid, and that's what it's asking us for. The mass of acetic acid is what the question asks for. Grams do measure mass. I have no idea. All right. Did everybody get 4? Okay. But 4 isn't a reasonable answer. Why not? Significant digits. Very good. How many significant digits do I need? 3. So I need 2 more zeros to make it match the number of significant digits we need from the problem. The least number of significant digits in the problem is this 3 digits here. And so your final answer has to have 3 digits. If it has more than that, you have to round off. If it doesn't have enough, you have to put zeros on there to get the 3 digits. Yes?
I thought trailing zeros were insignificant.
No. Leading zeros are insignificant. Trailing zeros, if there's a decimal place in there, trailing zeros are always significant. But if there's no decimal place in it, it's a whole other matter. It's kind of a different situation. Let's say I had just 200 and no decimal place. Those trailing zeros in that case would be insignificant because there's no decimal place. Okay? And there's your final answer. Don't even have to go through the rounding off process. Okay? All right. All right. 20 grams, and cancel out the grams. Acetic acid solution, and cancel it out. Over 1 times 20 grams of acetic acid. 100 grams and cancel it. Acetic acid solution and cancel it. Equals 4 let's go ahead and give a point for having the right number of significant digits as well. If somebody just put the number 4, that's good, but they need to have the 4.00 to get full credit, okay? And then grams and acetic acid. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, a total of 20 points. Did I count it correctly? Did I miss anything? Yes.
So instead of, if somebody put the name acetic acid instead of like the formula.
That's fine.
Okay.
That is acetic acid, so that's okay. All right.